How to change your Wix page background. Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through how you can change the background of any page on your Wix website. Whether you want to play a color, a beautiful image, or even a video playing in the background, I will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. If you're building your first website, don't worry, I will explain everything clearly so you can follow along easily. First, make sure you have inside the Wix Studio or Wix Editor. So I will use Wix Editor to set up background things. Now, if you are using Wix Studio, so you don't need to worry about it. Just simply click on this uh, websites and you can select from here. Now, click on where you want to add the background. I have already selected. Now click on the design side. It will take you to Wix standard editor where you can add that. Now, so I have opened this Wix editor. Now in the left side you will get see this mini menu where you can just simply click on it, and where you want click open on where you want to add that background, a video or image. For example, I want to add the background thing in the home page. Scroll down a little bit. As you can see here, there is nothing over here, just white color. And what I'm going to do is click on the side design on the left side. From here you can change the theme of the website as well. Now if you choose nature, it will change the text, font, colors, as you can see here. So if you want to change the color, you can do that. Now let's customize our site with the design. Now click on the page background. Now as you can see, you will get three options: first color, second image, and third video. So in the color section, you can change the color of the background. Just click on the black, and if you scroll a little bit, you can see there is a change in the color of the background as like this. So these section are fully packed, but this section is not. This section has a background spacing where I can see what is happening in the background. Now this is quite surprising. Just simply click on the color and choose the color. It will change the color. So I will choose this color and click on it. Now if you want to change the image, what you can do is just simply click on the image and wait for a few seconds to open image. Now you can select media, select from media Wix as well. Now as you can see here, I can select this one, and if I want to search for image like so we have successfully added our image. Now if I want to search for a specific image, I can search that too. For example, video editing image. Now this is a camera, but let's search it again. So images are not that good. Now what you can do is just go into Google and search for your image and click on the upload media. In the left side you can see, and it will upload your photo into Wix editor, and just click on it and it will add that image into the background. Now let's move to video section where you can add your video. Just simply click on the video. From here you can select your videos. I think this is a video. Simply, or you can search it for video as well. For example, fashion. Let's see if it gives a video or not. Select the video which you like. Now there are, if you don't like these result which is from Wix, and if you like this, then you have to pay for a premium. These videos are from Shutterstock, so yes, you can use, but you can use these videos for free, but these videos are paid. So make sure that you are, if you really need that video, you can pay it for that specific video. Just simply click on the change the background. It will change the background with video. So Yeah, this is how you can change your background into color or image or videos. So now if this guide helped you, then like the video and thanks for watching.